Assalamu alaikum. Let us start our next section. So the first MCQ is, what is the largest or longest river of Asia? So it is Yangtze. Question number 2. Hockey was first played in England. Option D is the correct option. Question number 3. Word tsunami belongs to language. It is from Japan. Option B is the correct option. Question number 4. Which country is the largest contributor of UNO's budget? So it is USA, United States of America. Option A is the correct option. Question number 5. The main center of Tamil activities in Sri Lanka is Jaffna. Option A is the correct option. Question number 6. Which country's constitution is not in written form? So it is in UK. Option C is the correct option. Question number 7. Andhra is the news agency of which country? So it is the news agency of Indonesia. Option B is the correct option. Question number 8. The first satellite sent by USA in space was Explorer. Option C is the correct option. Question number 9. Where is present world's largest great coral reef? So option A is the correct option. It is in Australia. Question number 10. UN called a decade of from 2004 to 2014. So it is decade of education. Option C is the correct option. Question number 11. Kandhara Art Center was situated between Sindh and Jhelum. Option A is the correct option. Question number 12. Etymology is the science of words. Option D is the correct option. Question number 13. Which country has oldest anthem? Option B is the correct option. Japan has oldest anthem. Question number 14. Which day is observed on 15th May every year? So it is Family Day. Option C is the correct option. Question number 15. Who was the first Viceroy of India? So it is Lord Canning. Option A is the correct option. Question number 16. Where the world's largest road tunnel is located? It is located in Switzerland. Option number 17. 1 ton is equal to 10 quintal. Option C is the correct option. Question number 18. World Wide Web WWW was invented by Berners-Lee. Option D is the correct option. Question number 19. In 1893, the Durand Line Agreement was signed by King of Afghanistan Abdur Rahman. Question number 20. Pakistan Day is observed on 23rd March. Option A is the correct option. Question number 21. Which is the most element present in the universe? So it is hydrogen. Option C is the correct option. Question number 22. Who is the father of computer? So it is Charles Babbage. So it is previous paper's question. Question number 23. Spratly Islands are disputed between China and Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia. So it is disputed between all of the above. Question number 24. Which organization is the oldest? So it is League of Nations. Option A is the correct option. Question number 25. Silicon Valley is the region in Santa Clarita country of California is famous because of computers. Silicon Valley is famous about computers. Option D is the correct option. Question number 26. Which is the oldest disease of world? So leprosy is the oldest disease in the world. Question number 27. Which continent is without glaciers? So it is Africa. Option B is the correct option. Question number 28. Which is the largest search engine of internet? So it is Google. Option B is the correct option. Question number 29. Which country produces largest solar energy in the world? So it is Germany. Option B is the correct option. Question number 30. Braille system of education is introduced for blinds in China. Question number 31. Fakhra Dam disputed between India and Bangladesh. Option B is the correct option. Question number 32. Night watch painting is painted by Lebrunet Van. Option D is the correct option. Question number 33. Which country is used more coal in the world? So option B, China is the correct option. Question number 34. World's largest bird name is ostrich. Option B is the correct option. Question number 35. ATM stand for automated teller machine. Option C is the correct option. Question number 36. First Muslim winner of Nobel Prize is Anwar Sadat. Option A is the correct option. Question number 37. What is meant by archaeology? So it is a cluster of islands. Option A is the correct option. Question number 38. Helvetia is the old name of Switzerland. Option B is the correct option. Question number 39. Kagli is capital of Rwanda. Option B is the correct option. Question number 40. Algebra was introduced by Khwarizmi. Question number 41. After Pakhtun in Afghanistan, which is the biggest group of race? So it is option B, Tajik. Which country's region is Shintoism? So it is Japan, option C. Question number 43. Playground of Europe is Switzerland. Question number 44. What is the Big Ben? Big Ben Bell. Option B is the correct option. Question number 45. Which country was discovered by Abel Tasman? Holland. So it is Spain. Option D is the correct option. Question number 46. Where is Great Sandy Desert located? So it is located in Australia. Option A is the correct option. Question number 47. India is constructing a Kishan Ganga Dam on which river? So it is constructed on Jhelum. Option A is the correct option. Question number 48. Bosphorus connects the Black Sea with Mediterranean Sea. Option A is the correct option. Question number 49. What is main cause of global warming? So it is CO2, carbon dioxide. Question number 50. Where is the head office of World Olympic Forum? So it is in Geneva. Option C is the correct option. Question number 51. What is total period of Ottoman Empire? So it is from 1299 to 1922. Option C is the correct option. Question number 52. When objective resolution became the part of institution first time? So it is option C, 14 August 1985. Question number 53. Harappa is situated in bank of river Ravi. Option A is the correct option. Question number 54. Who was the father of sociology? So it is Ibn Khaldun. Option B is the correct option. Question number 55. What is total strength of Supreme Court judges? So it is total strength 16. So near option is 17. So option A is the correct option. Question number 56. There is no restriction in Deen Islam is a verse of Al-Baqarah. Option C is the correct option. Question number 57. Which Pakistani Prime Minister died during the office? He is Nawab Liaquat Ali Khan. Question number 58. The poet who was present. So he is Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Question number 59. Nightingale Florence was a British nurse. Option B is the correct option. So these are the MCQs for our 2 days lecture. So thank you very much and please subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.